Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Phansi umthwala, lahla phansi yonke into. Ujudge Hlophe uthi ngaphezulu kwamandla lento. Indaba yepolitiki kukhulunywa njalo ngathi abantu basesithenjini politiki lahle phansi apha umkhonto wesizwe.
Sizokhumbula ukuthi inyangeni ezedlule uJudge Hlophe wamisa uColin Makhubele oChief Whip lapha eParliament, wayesefaka uDes van Rooyen. Uma ebuya uPresident Zuma ebuya eBurkina Faso wabikelwa ngalezi ndaba, wayesethi uJudge John Hlophe into ayenzile ayilungile ngoba uzithathele yena isinqumo ngokwakhe, kanti ngokwe-constitution ye-MK Party kufanele makuzothatha isinqumo kuhlangane i-National High Command ibonisane isinqumo singathathwa umuntu oyedwa. Base-ke bemsuspenda uJudge Hlophe, wasuspendwa-ke endaweni yakhe njengomuntu obekayi-caucus leader lapha eParliament kwase kungena uDes van Rooyen ukuthi yena i-caucus leader kwamanje pending i-investigation ebikhona. Uma ngibheka ku-internet ngidibana nepost ethi uJohn Hlophe uresignile ku-MK Party, sengidibana nale video engiqale ngayo kaMbomvu ethi kufundele le post. Apostoli oyimember ye-EFF oyifighter ubhale kanje: on the 8th of August 2025, we assured you that Dr. John Hlophe is gone, boy. 4 months later, the MK Party confirmed its investigation. We said, I can tell you for free, Dr. John Hlophe is a gone boy worldwide. You can't threaten Zuma and live to tell the tale. We are very patient, comrades. In your Twitter account, beyibhale breaking news, Dr. Hlophe has resigned from MKP. Umzwanele Manyi wayeseyaresponda kuyo wathi fake. Mangibonake lezi ndaba ngeke ngawubheka kwi-official page yomkhonto wesizwe party. Dr. John Hlophe ke angikhumbuli ngibona ipost ekuthiwa ibhalwe nguye noma une Twitter account, no angikhumbuli ngiyibona. Anginasiqiniseko noma unawo noma akanayo. Kodwa ngihambile ngawubheka ku-official page yomkhonto wesizwe party ukuconfirma phela ukuthi ngempela uresignile na, ngoba umuntu maye resign bayasibhala istatement nabo bachaze ukuthi useresignile noma kwenzakalani, kodwa kuze kube namhlanje kuthulekile. So asilazi iqiniso ngale ndaba, asilazi. Akekho nesiqiniseko manje esisho ukuthi ngempela uDr. John Hlophe uresignile, loba nalabo babhale le post babhale umlando ukuthi uDr. John Hlophe wakwanenkinga noNhlamulo Ndlela kanye noDuduzile. So isizathu sakhe sokuthi aze agcine suspendwa akusingoba emise uColin Makhubele, kodwa ileso sizathu. Kodwa abakhulumi ngokuthi nansi resignation letter yakhe siyitholile, mhlambe bekayisendele upresident noma bekayisendele bani, akekho keep information enjalo. Ngiyafisa ukubeka kucace lokuthi ayikho information enjalo ethi ngempela nansi resignation letter uDr. John Hlophe uresignile ku-MK Party. Noma yini esho manje ingama-rumor, asiwazi noma iqiniso noma ngamanga, kodwa akekho nje osathe nansi letter. Ngisho i-fake letter ke akekho usayikhiphile. And khumbula ukuthi kwakhulunywa kanje ngoFloyd, kwathi uFloyd uyahamba, noma yena wavela wakuphika kodwa wagcina ehambile. UkaDr. John Hlophe kunomehluko ngoba akaze asho lutho yena. Ngizokucaphunela ke ivideo kaMagasela Mzobe uze ukuthi mayikhuluma udaba kaJohn Hlophe utheni yena bese siyayivala ivideo.
Like any other political party, but we think we're closing the year on a high note. We're closing the year confident that we are ready for 2026.
Well, talking about some of the issues really as the official opposition and some of the challenges, perhaps I may just jump into this issue where your leader who leads the official opposition is on suspension, Dr. Hlophe. Just bring us up to speed. What is happening? Is he coming back?
I think we should not read too much into that and press panic buttons. You know that the president has just arrived from a very successful trip in Burkina Faso. where he was championing the interest of South Africans and the continent. And was bombarded with calls about the removal of the chief whip, Colin, and he had to take an immediate decision to calm the situation, not to remove the deputy president entirely from parliament. He remains a member of parliament. He remains a first deputy president of MK, suspended pending the inquiry, because the president wanted to satisfy himself what were the underlying factors that led to that drastic decision. So from where I'm sitting, he remains a leader of the party, suspended. That's why Comrade Des was not appointed as an official leader permanently. Yeah. Was appointed as an acting leader in parliament. I'm quite confident that once president has applied his mind, Comrade Deputy President would continue playing the role that the president will assign him, or even continue where he is.
So where are we in terms of the disciplinary process that was to be had after this?
It has started. I know that I was asked to send a letter to his office, the Deputy President, who accepted the letter that the inquiry will start. President was asking for his full cooperation, and he didn't confirm that he would fully cooperate with the situation and the inquiry. I'm quite sure when you come back into the new year next year, it should be done by end of January. I'm quite confident.
Inkulumo ke levela kuMagasola Mzobe ethi bayisendile letter yena personal uyisendile letter efuna ukuthi cooperate nopresident ufuna lokho ngoba phela investigation inquiry funeka athole kwenzakaleni azathathe lesinqumo ngoba kwakwenze njani abeke uhlangothi lakhe kubonakala kwenzani kodwa leyo process kufanele ibiphelele nje by end of January kusho uMagasela Mzobe. So njengoba ngishile ekuqaleni ukuthi akekho oneshock ngoba kwabona laba ababika lolu daba abakaze bakhiphe resignation letter ukuthi nansi resignation letter evela ku Dr John Hlophe ethi uyaresigna ku MK Party bayakhuluma nje kuphela. So ngithi angithi nama angireport ngalolu daba udaba olukhulunywayo kodwa ngikwazisa ukuthi ayikho into official esaphumile from umkhonto wesizwe party official page abakaze bakhuluma lutho ngalolu daba lika Dr John Hlophe kuze kuyi Dr John Hlophe akaza khulume lutho apostoli lo member ye-EFF akaza asho lutho nalabo abanye la le post le #put South Africa first ngiyacabanga nabo abakaze bayikhiphe resignation letter ethi nansi resignation letter evela ku Dr John Hlophe esho ukuthi uya resigna as imember yomkhonto wesizwe party njoba ngisho nje ukuthi ukukhuluma nje ukukhona kodwa akekho othi nansi letter kube khona iletha ngabe bayikhiphile sayibona. Ngicela ukuzukuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kodwa nje bengithi angiclarify lena ukuze masilandele izindaba sizilandele kahle sazi kwenzakalani. Yazi ke siphile esikhathini se-fake news, siphile esikhathini lapho kutrenda khona into engamanga ize kube sengathi iqiniso. Siphila kuleso sikhathi, siphile esikhathini se-misinformation. Phile esikhathini sokuthi abantu ngenxa okufuna ama-views baze ba-create ne-story engekho. Ngakho ke angisho ukuthi le story asikho kodwa ngithi akekho osakhiphe ubufakazi, akekho okhiphe iletha esazisayo ukuthi uDr John Hlophe uresignile, akekho sasinikeze resignation letter yakhe. So asilinde nje mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.